Alright, welcome back everyone to another enlightening episode of the podcast. Today we're diving into something truly fascinating, the autonomous creation of the Ffmpeg audio converter, developed by none other than Ajarn Littlewood, with the powerful assistance of the Gemini CLI Unleashed AI. You might be wondering, how can an AI autonomously drive a project like this? Well, it's all about what I like to call the Ffmpeg architecture of trust. This concept highlights how simple, high-level prompts can unlock a whole world of complexity. Picture it like teaching a child to ride a bike. You start with basic instructions, and before you know it, they're off on their own.
That's really intriguing. So, are you saying the AI could just sort of take a user's vague idea and turn it into a full project almost on its own?
Exactly. In about 3 hours, this AI managed the entire software development lifecycle with minimal human interaction. Picture this. Phase 1 was all about core application development. The user asked for a Python-based GUI to convert audio files, and the AI just went ahead, creating features like batch processing and progress logs.
Hold on a second. Batch processing? So, if I have, say, 1,000 audio files, I could convert them all at once? That's kind of mind-blowing.
Yes, precisely. Imagine being able to convert your entire music library into a different format while you, say, binge-watch your favorite series. It's all automated. The AI even diagnosed UI issues without any intervention.
Wow, that sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. I mean, could we ever get to a point where AIs are doing creative tasks like composing music or writing scripts for movies autonomously?
Absolutely, we're inching closer to that every day. But let's not get too sidetracked. Moving to Phase 2, the focus shifted to local packaging for Windows. Here, the AI leveraged PyInstaller to create a portable .exe file and crafted an installer using Inno setup.
So it's like creating a user-friendly package? Kinder reminds me of how we wrap presents for birthdays, you know? You want it to look great on the outside.
That's a great analogy. And just as you meticulously wrap a gift, the AI troubleshot any bugs along the way to ensure everything was smooth for the end user.
Oh, that's super cool. So, did the AI ever hit major roadblocks? What happens when things go wrong in the process?
Oh, indeed. Phase 3 tackled full automation and global distribution. There were authentication challenges for securely pushing code to GitHub, which is no small feat. The AI developed a unique protocol using a master token to facilitate autonomous updates to overcome those hurdles.
Could we compare that to, securing your house with a fancy lock? You wouldn't want just anyone to waltz in, right?
Exactly. And once authentication issues were resolved, the AI set up a CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions. This allowed for automated builds and deployments across various operating systems.
Whoa, wait, so it's doing all of this without human prompts? That's a level of trust I can't even begin to comprehend. Like letting your younger sibling borrow your car.
Haha, yes, there's a lot of trust involved. Finally, we reached Phase 4, where the project was finalized for release, creating a license and thorough documentation. The first official GitHub release was a celebratory moment marking its public debut.
That's just incredible. So in a nutshell, it's like a dance between human input and AI capabilities, a totally new way of collaborating, right?
Exactly, and with the right protocols in place, this partnership can lead to streamlined development processes and amazing results. Truly an exhilarating time to be in tech.
Wow. I can't believe how far we've come, and it's only going to get better, isn't it? I'm excited and a bit nervous about the future of AI in our daily lives.
Absolutely. The possibilities are endless, and with innovations like this, we might just see a new paradigm in how software is developed and utilized.
I can only imagine. This is just the beginning, isn't it? Like the first chapter of a thrilling novel.